Hey, you made it. Scott Sambucci here. Listen, on this page, you can download a completely free copy of my latest book, Stop Hustling, Start Scaling, Ramp Up Your B2B Startups Repeatable Revenue with the Q Framework. I want as many startups as possible to get a copy of this book because this framework that we talk about, that I talk about in this book, the Q Framework, is a framework that's been built out of over 7 years of coaching B2B enterprise startups to ramp up and scale up their sales process, and over 20 years of me personally selling to the enterprise, both with publicly traded companies and with 3 startups. And so I want as many startup founders and early stage teams to get a copy of this book because I know that this framework works. It will help you build repeatability and scalability in your sales process. So on this page, you'll see a link. Just click the link, and then we'll send you an email with an entire PDF, the whole book, 100% free copy of the book. That's not like free plus shipping and handling. It's a totally free copy of the book. Then, even better, after you enter your email address so we know where to send a copy of the PDF, on the other side of this page, you're going to get access to all of the worksheets, the frameworks, the playbooks, and the how-to videos that I have as the end of chapter exercises in this book. So at the end of every single chapter, there's a link to a worksheet that will help you put to work, put to action the Q framework for your startup. So for example, chapter 1, the chapter 1 is, what problem are you solving? That's the number 1 question that we have to answer before we do anything, before we can sell anything to our target customers. And at the end of that chapter, there's a worksheet called the problem stack worksheet. So you'll be able to download that worksheet and then go through that exercise to put that chapter 1 to work for your startup right away. And then every single chapter throughout the book has the same kind of worksheet, framework, playbook, and a how-to video of me explaining how to use that worksheet and how to put that part of the framework into action for your startup. So I don't know what else to tell you. If you haven't already, stopped watching this video and click the link to get to the other side of this page, to download a copy of the book and to get access to those worksheets and frameworks and playbooks. Probably not much else I can do. So I'm going to stop right here. It's really good to see you here. I'm looking forward to working with you. And the other thing you can do, by the way, and you'll see this on the next page, if you want some help implementing after you've read the book and implemented some of the end of chapter exercises, you can also book in a one-on-one strategy call. We call it a scale up session. So we can show you how to put this framework to work for your startup. So anyway, that's enough talking. Download a copy of the book and I'll see you on the other side of this page.